About this item: UtechSmart dual core technology, offer 1-year support, offer 1-year friendly customer service. Built-in advanced dual core VL817 chip with lower power consumption, quicker heat dissipation and higher data transfer efficiency. Temperature control: use the same heat dissipation technology as MacBook Pro to extend the working life and provide an excellent performance. Make it safe and reliable when 6 ports are occupied. All-in-one USB-C hub: connect to the latest MacBook Pro or USB-C devices with the 6-in-1 USB-C hub featuring an Ethernet port, a USB-C charging port with power delivery, a 4K HDMI port, and 3 USB 3.0 ports. Data transmission speed up to 5 Gbps. 100W power delivery. USB Type-C hub charges your MacBook Pro or other Type-C devices while connecting 100W power delivery port. Nowadays more and more devices and the newest USB-C laptops support PD. With power delivery, a single USB-C port can give you blazing fast charging speed experience. Perfectly match your USB-C laptop's Chromecast with Google TV RJ45 1000M Ethernet port and 4K HDMI video. Supports 1000 Mbps Gigabit RJ45 Ethernet port, backward support with 100 Mbps/10 Mbps RJ45 LAN. HDMI port supports a large screen liquid crystal TV or display. Support with 4K max output. Give you vivid 3D effect video sync. Stylish design, premium built-in and sleek precision milled aircraft grade aluminum enclosure makes it a perfect complement for your MacBook Pro's look and feel in new space gray. Board compatibility: UtechSmart USB-C hub is compatible for Windows/MacBook Air/MacBook Pro 2022/2020/2020/2019/2018/2017/2016/iMac/iMac Pro 21